All right, so back on them chicken lights, the clearance lights on the RC's 29-foot snowmobile trailer. Got them all on. All right, back on the snowmobile trailer, and today what I'm going to be doing is working on putting on the marker lights on the snowmobile trailer. So up here along the top, plan on putting more of these orange marker lights along the top edge, eventually on both sides, and probably a couple on the front. I've got also got some red ones to finish off the back. Put another one up here, and the same on the other side. Already got one down low, but I'd like to have them up on the top. So the other thing to do with lights is I'm going to put some LED pod lights up here. Let's see here. So we'll take these off and put some LED pod lights on. These do work, but we'll update them. And I'll probably put one up at the front door so that when we're loading sleds, we'll have some light to light up the situation. There'll be also lights going on in the inside, but today we're going to lay out and install the lights on the top of the trailer. Hey, welcome back. This is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage, and today we're going to be working on the snowmobile trailer. We are going to be putting lights up on the top. So going to lay them all out. I'm not sure if it'll be 2 foot apart or just exactly what that dimension is, and we'll get them laid out, drilled and mounted, and that's what we're going to do, is put chicken lights, as they call them, but running lights on the trailer. Additional ones. There's already some, but we're going to put some additional ones. So we'll do this in time lapse, so come along. All right, I've got things laid out up here. Got it all laid out. Holes marked. So we're going to drill the hole and run these wires through. We'll do that. All right, so we got this side done. At least they got them mounted on this side. That's gonna look pretty good. We'll do 2 on the back, 2 on the front, and then the same on the other side. So I think that'll look good. We'll light them up later. Okay, we're back on the wiring of the clearance lights here. So what we're going to do today is we'll put some terminal ends on these, put a ring terminal on this one for ground. This will put a spade on it, and then we'll attach it to that with a little Scotch lock. So this is what I'll be using, is a spade and the ring terminals, and then one of these quick splices, I guess they call them. But what's nice is you pinch that on the wire, and then once it's on, you push this into it, and it goes right into the little clip. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll be doing that. Okay, got it all done. Got the ground up there, positive there. So got all these on this side done. I've got to do this back one, but I'm gonna have to probably add a couple extensions onto it, get it where I can reach it. So we'll work on that, get them done, tie them into these wires. This side's done. Got them lit up. I don't know if you can see them or not. Let's go around. Got them all on and set both sides and the back and down the side of the passenger side. Just got them temporary hooked to battery. So there's the clearance lights, they're all done. Oops, so I added two more up to the front right there. So anyways, got the clearance lights all on, and so that's going to be a little bit nicer pulling a trailer at night, and a little more we can see it. Like the looks of lots of lights. So thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, like button. Appreciate that. Leave me any comments down below if you've added lights on yours. Got any other ideas for lighting? Let me know what you've done. It's always nice to have lights when you're out in the trail or the trailhead with the snowmobiles, and looking good while we're traveling down the road. So anyways, again, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with others. Trying to get subscribers up to 500. That's a goal, so appreciate the help with that. And again, this is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. Have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.